Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore freeze and unfreeze Equifax with Equifax.com easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To restore a freeze on your Equifax credit report, start by visiting Equifax.com. On the home page, navigate to the Personal section. Select Credit Report Assistance from the drop-down menu. Look for the option labeled Manage a Credit Freeze. Click on it to access the Freeze Management Portal. You will need to log in to your existing Equifax account. If you don't have an account, click on Create an Account and follow the registration process. Once logged in, locate the section for managing your credit freeze. Here, you will see options to freeze or unfreeze your credit. To unfreeze, select the option that says Unfreeze my credit. You may be prompted to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen prompts to provide the necessary information. This typically includes your personal details and your PIN or password for the freeze. After verification, confirm your request to unfreeze your credit. You should receive a confirmation message regarding the status of your request. If you're looking to restore the freeze later, return to the same section. Select Freeze My Credit to apply the freeze again. Again, you may need to enter your PIN or password. Confirm your request to complete the process. Remember, it's important to keep your PIN safe for future use. If you encounter issues, Equifax provides assistance through their customer service. Access their help section for more detailed support. By following these steps, you can easily manage your credit freeze with Equifax. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.